In a small town called Maison de Lice, there lived a young chef named Lucas. Lucas harbored a grand dream of transforming his modest restaurant into a premier destination for food lovers from all over the country. Despite his remarkable skills, he was missing a signature dish that would draw people from far and wide. One day, while wandering through the local market, Lucas met an old butcher named Mr. George, who had countless stories about meat and its various cuts. Mr. George knew everything about every cut of beef and how to use it to achieve maximum flavor. After a long discussion, Mr. George decided to reveal a well-kept secret to Lucas about a cut of meat that many overlooked, the beef chuck. Mr. George began his story. This cut, Lucas, comes from the shoulder area of the cow. It is known for its perfect blend of meat and fat, which makes it rich in flavor and ideal for slow cooking and roasting. I believe it could be the secret ingredient you're looking for. Lucas took the chuck cut back to his restaurant and started experimenting with new recipes. He was amazed by how nutrient-rich the cut was, containing about 250 calories per 100 grams and 26 grams of protein. He knew this information would impress his health-conscious customers. Lucas tried various cooking methods, from slow roasting to grilling and frying. He found that slow cooking at a low temperature for an extended period made the meat incredibly tender, as the connective tissues broke down into a rich, deep flavor. He decided to add a touch of spices and herbs and cook the meat slowly in a broth rich with flavors. The results were astounding, and people began talking about the irresistible taste. Instead of using more expensive cuts like ribeye or tenderloin, Lucas discovered that the chuck offered a unique dining experience at a lower cost, making it an economical choice for his restaurant and his customers. The cost per kilogram ranged from $5 to $8, compared to $15 to $25 for ribeye and $25 to $40 for tenderloin. Lucas's restaurant quickly gained fame and became a primary destination for those wanting to experience the unique beef chuck dish. Customers traveled from afar to taste this special dish, thanks to Mr. George's invaluable advice. In the end, it wasn't just a piece of meat but a journey of culinary discovery, artistry, and resourcefulness. Lucas's story and the humble beef chuck became a part of local heritage, passed down to new generations of chefs and culinary adventurers. Thus, Lucas turned his restaurant into a legend, thanks to his passion, determination, and the modest beef chuck that he discovered was a treasure trove of flavors and possibilities.